Okay. Red ball. Pass to Benny. Benny. Oh! Nagutata. Block by Naku. Lalaking tao nito. Joseph, wala. Rebound by Cabao, wala rin. Okay. Back to the topical ball. Pasoralan, pass to Benny. Oh, my tama. Foul number 16, no point. Tatay Antonio Larcadas. Inbound by Brother Steve. Kuya Jess. Wala. Rebound by Tatay Antonio. Dribbling the ball, looking for wala. Steal by Brother Benny. Pass to steal by Brother Neko. Joseph, pull up. Wala. Hop. Wala pa rin. Steal. Wala. White ball. Dinke. Hop. Ito may kaball. Pasoralan. Ball handler pala si Pasoralan ngayon. Brother Russell. Benny Capos. Yan mo. Alright. Sige. Dinky. Cabao. Drive. Top by. Hop. Rebound again. Pin away. Foul. Number 70. Opitopico. First foul.
Ilan yung team foul na?
1-1 po.
First team foul, both team. Umbaw.
Dami yung sa kaliwa, dami.
First row, Nani.
Dami yung sa kaliwa. Malis kayo.
Ang coach bawal kumain. Pag hindi namimigay. Oh! Pasok ang isa.
Thank you.
Brother Sipik! Pass to Kuya Jess. Pass to Russell. Russell. Benny. Oh! 3 seconds violation. Bang bang. Naparel. Huwag kayo magstay sa shared pain. Oh! Butata! Oh! Rebound by Pastoralan. Pass to Brother Steve. Ilalim. 2 points. Good shot by Brother Steve. Number 15. Oh, topic. Umbaw. Pass to Tatay drives. In the middle. Good shot. May inspirasyon pala. Andun pala si Nara Liza.
Left.
Pastoralan, Kuya Jess, drive. Pastoralan. Wala. Rebound by Umbaw. Looking for teammates. Dinke. Dolanda ko pass to Tatay Largadas. Largadas. Wala.
Easy ball.
Kuya Jess, pass to Brother Russell. Madulas ang sapatos. Benny. Pass to Pastoralan. Oh, wala. Nice. Red ball.
14 to shoot po.
14 to shoot. Kuya Jess. Wala. Stop. Okay. Antonio Largadas, 2 points. Inspiration by his wife. Inspirasyon ka. Oh! Side step. Oh! Wala. Okay lang. Back to defense. Oh! Medyo oh! 8 seconds violation. Topical substitution, rep. Okay. Antonio Largadas out. Miss Tranza in. Number 62 in. 71 out of Etobicoke. Pass to brother Steve. Wala. Airborne. Umbao. Drive. Foul. 58 of Etobicoke. First personal foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul of Etobicoke. Pass to Umbao. Feed away shot. Wala. Pastor Alan looking for teammate. Pass to Quejes. Side step. Pass to Benny. Benny. Whoop. Still fine. Okay. Asa yung uniform mo? Siren. Uniform. Up. Nice pass. Woo! Board. Using the board of Kuya Jazz. 2 points. Miss Tranza. Donald Daco. Nice. Oh, pass break. Tumakbo. Good. Wala. It's okay. Mag-tap in kayo, ha? Wala. Rebound. Benny. Malaking tao. Pass break. To number 62. Oh. May tawag. Okay. Foul Dinky, number 31. Number 31 foul. Second team foul. Second?
Okay. Hindi, team.
Apo.
Okay. Yeah, pula. Benny! Nice pull-up jumper. Ba? Ito matinding ano to? Oh. Matinding point guard nila, pa-steal. Jaja! Mestrasa! Wala! Rebound by Cyrene! Jerome! Wala pa rin! Rebound by Steve! Oh! 62! Pass to Benny! Malaki! Easy 2 points by Ben! Ito na, point guard na. Number 15. Ba? Talagang ano, sige. Kaya, depensa lang. Hoy! Wala! Kapos! Upo lang dyan, yung mga sasam. Yes! Foul! And one by Joseph Magallanes. Foul number 70 of Etobicoke. Ilang foul na yan? That's the second personal foul of Kuya Jess. Kuya Jess out. 76 and 2 of Etobicoke. Pass out. Oh, wait. Sub ka? Sub rep. Pasok. Umbao. Ang daming zero, ha. Bonus shot by Joseph Magallanes. Oh, rebound by Benny. Hey, nice pass. Oh, back. Bounce back. Nice side step by Cyrene, good shot. Ginagalingan nila. Score 9-8 in favor of. Boy, easy 2 points. 10-9 in favor of Etobicoke, mga bata. Coaches, yung mga bata natin dyan. Coach, nako. Op. Dahan-dahan lang, brother, ha? Ingatan ang sarili. Joseph Magallanes 4, wala. Rebound, pass break.
Number 3, white 2.
Number 2, Orlando. First personal foul.
13 41.
Substitution, rep. Pasok!
Joseph. Kuya, pakita rin po.
Takin, takin. Takin kayo, yung mga nasa loob. Takin.
Joseph.
Takin. Ben. Benny. Takin. Takin. Jerome. Takin. Malakas ng pumalit ah. Pang-depensa yan. Save ball. Takin kayo para maiwasan natin yung ilaan. Yan. Pastoralan. Whoop. Number 33 of white foul. Losing na first personal foul and 14 foul.
Ilan bang ano?
8 po.
Penalty.
8 po.
Okay. Up, another foul by
Miss Transa. Miss Transa.
five-team foul of white team, cornerstone 4. The score of 10-9 in favor of Etobicoke. Benny. Wala. Rebound by Valencia, number 15. Uy! Butata! Rebound! Uy! Pinasa sa loob! Lumabas! Di ko makita! Ayun! Steal! Pastoralan! Pass break! Bang! Hook! Uy! Ano na pala? Linya na. Ito ang point guard ng Malpi. Abarrientos. Steph Curry pala, Steph Curry.
Halubam!
Jerome, 2 points by Jerome. Good shot. 11-10. Lamang na ang white. Ayan na. Big man, 2 points. Malaki talaga.
Go, go, go!
Di kaya yun. Whoop! Wala. Uy, ganda ng pasa.
Go!
Uy, teardrop. Wala. Oh! White ball, white ball. Yung topic, okay, okay.
Angat!
Uy, ang ganda naman. Grabe.
Time out!
Time out! Eto, Bigo.
Mahina na yung ano eh, tunog, no?
Zone lang tayo.
Briefing. Hiring po kami ng announcer dito. Baka meron po tayong galing sa PBA. Ang boses ng bayan. Robster. Announcer.
Asawa ha?
Sinong magaling mag-announcer dyan?
Huh?
Yung... Muntik na kayo mateknikan ha. White. Whoop! Wala. Rebound by Sarin.
Ticket!
Dribbling. Pass to Tinker. Pass to Mau. Umikot. Wala. Sablay. Ang lakas. Oh! Out of bounds. Easy 2 points by number 76 of Etobicoke. Dinge.
Ito, yan. Tikit mo yan.
Siren to Larganas. Siren again. Hop! Pick. Tira. Umbaw. Kinaliwa. Wala.
Go, go, go!
Hop! Red ball. Uso po ang ano ha? Uso po ang timeout dito ha? Uso. Oy! Wala. Rebound. Rebound again. Tapikan. Hop! Butata. Ang lalaking tao. Largadas. Wala. Dinge. Dinge. Hop! Still by Steve. Pass break. Hop! Largadas. Wala.
Go, 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 Kuya Benny!
Benny. Pasa. Teardrop. 2 points. Takbo, takbo.
Time out ulit kami.
Sige. Wala. Hoy, ang ganda. Wala pa rin. Teardrops. Wala. Dinge. Pass to Umbaw. Umbaw. Pass to. Pass to. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Benny. Wala na. Pass to na lang eh. Hop. Top by Umbaw. Pass to Nako. 2 points. Time out. Time out dito, Bigo. Briefing. Okay, kalma lang. Yung puso natin, ha? Di battery lang yan. Puso lang ngayon sa hospital, yung puso, di battery. Pasok.
Running po na wala.
Oh, running time. Second half.
Yun yung, 2 minutes last. Hindi pa sa time out po. Time out. Running.
Oh.
Running.
Go, 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 go!
Pastoralan. Tinira. 2 points by Pastoralan. Di na tumira yun ah. Ando si ate. Nasa taas.
Kaliwa!
Siren. Wala. Hop! White ball. Number 58 of Etobicoke. Ilang pa?
Ilang foul yung 58?
Number 58, 2 personal foul and 4 team foul of Etobicoke. Steal. Hop! Ayan na. Is it? Pass to Kuya Jess. Nagalangan. Tinira. Wala. Hop! Umbaw. Pass to Jerome. Jerome, pinaway shot. It's good. Parang mga Michael Jordan ng mga laro.
Last 5 seconds kay Tamira. Last 5 seconds.
O ayan na.
Ikaw, tingin.
Wala. Pass to Pastoralan. Pass to Wedges. Fake. Hop! May tawag. Traveling violation by Kuya Jen. Masilas lang. Kuya Jen, ito sapatos ko. Pang yellow pa to. Okay, back to the ball game. Siren in the middle. Pass to. Hop! May tawag ulit. It's a violation. Dribble muna bago hakbang. Next time, dribble muna bago hakbang. Traveling yun, kaya tayo makakalusot sa mga matang lawin ng ating mga referee.
Ano pa naman yung tira ni Pastor kung 3 points o 2 points?
2 points. 2 points lang. Yung kay Pastor. Yung score, 18-17.
Sino lamang?
In favor of Etobicoke. Lamang kayo ha, malaki lamang nyo. Etobicoke. Malaki lamang nyo ha. Ano lang, easy lang. Isa lang pala. Oh. White ball. White ball. Middle yung ball na, middle. Pwedeng sa kalahati, pwede sa kabilaan, pwede ipasa yan ha.
Masyado kayo sumusunod.
Joseph,
Okay lang yan, yan.
screen, dribbling the ball, drive, up! Good, 2 points. Malakas pa yan si Pedges. Oh, dalawa, 96. Wala. Oh, wala, layup. Pastor Alan. Pastor. Oh! Nice pass by number 58 to number 62. Dapat may apelyido kayo para ano may pangalan. Joseph.
Pogi number 1, pogi number 2.
Pogi number 1, pogi number 2. Ganun na lang, no? Oh! Step back. Wala. Jerome. Dribbling the ball, pass to Joseph. Nako. Wala. Rebound. Oh! Red ball. Red ball ha, hindi ano. Ayan si Pastor Alan. Kuya Jess. Oh! Pinasa, steal. Oh! Nakaka-steal pa si Pastor Alan. Brother Benny! For 2. 2 only, 2.
2 points lang.
2 points. 22-19 in favor of Jesus is Lord Church Etobicoke. Oh, Jerome! Okay, basket and won by Jerome Estranza. Foul of number 58 of Etobicoke.
Third na po.
That's third personal foul.
First po. First team foul.
First team foul of second up. Etobicoke.
Easy ball, easy ball. Anong pa kayo, isa?
Hoy! Ang ganda sana! Yun yung mga aliyong dunk sana eh. Uy, beat away siya.
Go, go, go!
Number 96 of Etobicoke. Dribbling the ball. Looking for Steve. Again. 62. Wala. Nice backs out of Joseph Magallanes. Ilalim. Boom. Oh. Substitution, bro. Pasok. Number 58. Etobicoke. Asa na yung mga second game?
Three points, 2 points.
Second game. Etobicoke CYN versus Richmond Hill. Oh! Ate, medyo alert kayo dyan ha. Malawak ang ano natin. basketball court.
Yamar.
Nasa na yung mga second game?
Ilang team? Down na.
Tira daw! Tira! Tira! Lapis na! Oh! Tira! Nice one! Nice one!
Yes.
Tira! Time out, time out, time out.
Kuya Jess, nasa na yung mga CYN nyo? Second game sila.
Nako!
Tulog pa. Ipatawagan mo na. Meron pa silang 13 minutes and 20 minutes.